What's up, guys? Today we're here with a bunch of stuff I bought for $100. Let's go. Got this computer case with motherboard and fans. Got a whole box of laptops and some vintage stuff that'll probably do good on Mercari. Some more Mac chargers. I have a bunch of those. And first things first, we open up the first laptop out of the box. It seems to be missing a 1 key, but we are booting up. It is not a touch screen. You can tell by the way the screen reacts to you touching it. Let's let this thing boot up freaking 4 hours later. I can almost guarantee you this thing has 4 gigs of RAM and an old HDD hard drive, not an SSD, because this is taking forever. Alright, if you know me, I have no patience for old computers, so we're going to open this thing up and see what the heck's going on. It's already missing some screws. There's one right there. There's none right there. That's always a good sign. Not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one stripped. 9. Whoop. And we pop the bezel. Now the keyboard's coming off. And palm rest. And mouse pad. Well, if that's not the weirdest battery I've ever seen. Might be a little puffy. Maybe not. But the battery's over here. But this whole thing is the battery pack. Which is odd. 5100 milliamp hours though. Not bad. Old ass drive, just like I thought. Let's check the bottom and see what the RAM is. Wait a minute. Looks like the RAM is underneath the motherboard. What a terrible design. I guess we're going to come back to this one. Or just leave the RAM in it that's in it. Maybe replace this with an SSD and see where we can go from there. Stay tuned for the next one, guys.